Our commitment to luxury begins here.
In the world of luxury leather, precision is paramount. Our automated systems ensure flawless.
We look for consistency in the grain and a flawless finish. This burgundy crocodile meets our premium standard.
The tanning process is critical. These sheets are carefully guided into the rollers, ensuring the highest quality finish.
Exiting the drying section, the leather maintains its stable shape and rich burgundy color. The
Here we see the pressurized plate slowly descending onto the luxury leather. It is this meticulous process
The hydraulic press engages, using immense pressure and heat to perfectly emboss the intricate monkey pattern.
This controlled compression is key to achieving the perfect grain. The heat ensures the pattern is set deep into the luxury hide.
The hydraulic press applies immense pressure, permanently bonding the intricate linear geometric pattern. Using precise heat and pressure, the steel die slowly reveals the flawless texture of the luxury leather.
The texture on this batch is perfect.
Yes, the alignment is flawless. We can proceed with the shipment.
The embossed leather sheets travel smoothly through the automated system, nearing the coloring vats where the exact shade will be applied. The sophisticated roller system applies the deep emerald green dye with absolute precision, highlighting the intricate texture of the crocodile pattern. Inside the drying tunnel, controlled airflow and precise temperatures finalize the deep color and rich texture of the embossed leather.
Once the hides arrive at the cutting department, precision is paramount to minimize waste of the luxury material.
Here we see the finest burgundy leather being prepared. The cutting machine is poised, ready to begin the precise...
Here we see the final stage of embossing, where the leather gains its distinctive texture before being precisely cut and passed to the assembly team.
Here in the coloring section, the high-end machinery ensures every inch of the stylized pattern is perfectly dyed before moving to the finishing stage.
The user wants a transcription for an 8-second video. The video is described as an ultra-realistic...
The color is carefully worked into the embossed pattern, enhancing the texture's depth without compromising the natural finish. The leather now enters the controlled drying tunnel, utilizing precise low-temperature airflow to set the luxurious finish.
The stabilization process ensures the vibrant emerald tone is locked into the crocodile grain, a crucial step for luxury quality. The leather undergoes a surface conditioning treatment. Mechanical rollers apply a softening and protection layer, enhancing the luxurious feel.
After conditioning, the leather achieves this remarkable suppleness. Notice how the crocodile scales flex smoothly without any sign of damage. This microfine transparent topcoat is crucial for durability, ensuring the leather maintains its luxurious, low-gloss finish for years to come. The deep shine is achieved through a meticulous hand polishing process, bringing the rich texture of the crocodile pattern to life.
Here we separate only the approved hides, ensuring absolute consistency in both color and the alligator pattern.
Here in the atelier, the finished emerald panels are stacked with the utmost care, ready for the next stage of assembly. The journey from hide to handbag requires meticulous care.
The layout phase demands absolute focus, ensuring the pattern flows seamlessly across the panels. In the world of luxury leather, precision is everything. Here, the components are prepared with the utmost care.
Each piece of patterned leather is meticulously inspected before it is deemed ready for assembly.
To create a luxury handbag, precision is paramount. This laser cutting system ensures every component meets our exacting standards.
The edge paint is applied meticulously by hand, ensuring a perfectly uniform finish. It must then air.
Each stitch is meticulously placed by hand, a testament to the artisan's dedication and skill passed down through generations.
Every single stitch must be perfect. It is this dedication to uniformity that defines true luxury craftsmanship. From the moment materials arrive, precision is paramount. This attention to detail is why our quality control is so rigorous.